Welcome back to KK Autos. Today, introducing the Aurora Tri-Camper, a vibrant yellow futuristic tricycle RV camper that combines style, innovation, and adventure. Starting at the front, its bold aerodynamic design immediately captures attention. The integrated LED headlights are sleek and ultra-modern, seamlessly blending into the curved lines of the body, while the chrome frame grille enhances its commanding presence. Vents along the lower section ensure efficient airflow, emphasizing its performance-driven design. Moving to the side, the Aurora's unique tricycle configuration becomes apparent. Its elongated, streamlined cabin flows effortlessly with the vehicle's contours, designed for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. The bright yellow body is accented by glossy black trims and subtle chrome details, highlighting its luxurious appeal. Expansive windows stretch across the side, offering panoramic views and a sense of openness. Step inside the Aurora Tri-Camper, where futuristic design meets ultimate comfort. The interior is a seamless blend of luxury and technology, designed to make every journey unforgettable. Starting with the cockpit, the driver's seat offers an ergonomic design wrapped in premium leather, ensuring maximum comfort during long trips. The dashboard is sleek and minimalistic, featuring a large, high-definition touchscreen that provides access to navigation, vehicle controls, and entertainment systems. Ambient lighting enhances the modern feel, creating a calming environment for both driver and passengers. Moving into the living space, you're greeted with a spacious and versatile layout. The walls are finished with soft-touch materials, complemented by subtle chrome accents that reflect the vehicle's sophisticated vibe. The seating area doubles as a lounge, with plush cushions and modular furniture that can be adjusted to suit your needs. At the center, the kitchenette is a marvel of compact design, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a built-in induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and ample storage. Adjacent to it, the dining area transforms into a workspace or additional sleeping area. The Aurora Tri-Camper truly redefines luxury and innovation, offering a perfect blend of futuristic design, comfort, and functionality. The innovative tricycle layout or the luxurious tech-filled interior? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to KK Autos for more incredible vehicles and in-depth reviews. See you in the next video.